Welcome everybody, I'm Mrs. Haynes and I have my oldest daughter Lucy over here helping me with one of our first songs that we're going to share. This is Don't Worry, Be Happy. I'm going to be playing a little bit harder of a strum pattern, so once you get the chords down, join in with me. Lucy's going to be keeping it simple, just strumming on the steady beat. So those of you that have never played a ukulele before and you found one laying around your house, awesome. Tune it up, get it ready to play with us. If you're an old pro, great too. Sing along, play along, grab some egg shakers, grab some pots and pan lid, whatever you want. Find anything to be your instrument to join in and use your voice and sing along with us. We're gonna make some music together. So this song only uses 3 chords. If you notice, I have the C chord up here 2 times because we begin our progression with 8 beats on C and then we end our progression with 8 beats on C. As we play through, we're gonna do 8 steady beats on each of these chords. Let's walk through and look what these look like. If you're struggling with making any of these chords, just pause the video and practice moving from one chord to the next. So first off, our string closest to the floor, that's string 1, string 2, string 3, and string 4. So for our first chord, it's easy peasy. We're gonna just use the bottom string with our 3rd finger. We're gonna take our 3rd finger and we're gonna put it down on the 3rd fret of that bottom string. And that's it, you have a chord. And now we're gonna take our thumb and strum down on all 4 strings. Here we go. Beautiful, chord number 1. Chord number 2, we're gonna do D minor. This one isn't as common, especially in early beginning music. So this one might take a moment if you haven't played it before. We are going to take our middle finger and our ring finger, and they're kind of going to be glued together for this. We're going to move them all the way up to the 3rd and 4th string of that 2nd fret space, okay? Bird's eye view would look like that. And then my pointer finger, or finger 1, is going to go on the 2nd string, that's right here, in the 1st fret. 2nd string, 1st fret. So it's going to look like this, okay? Let's see how that sounds. Cool. And now moving to the F chord from there, super duper simple, because look at this finger is going to stay in place, our 1st finger, and this finger is going to stay in place. All we have to do is lift off our finger. For me, it is my ring finger. I'm going to lift off my ring finger on that 3rd fret. So let's hear your F chord. Beautiful. And then we just go back to C. And that's it. That's all that you need to know to be able to play it. If you're struggling with any of those chords, like I said, go back and practice, but we're just going to continue to work through this progression and then we'll have a song. So let's start. It's going to be 8 strums on C. Here we go.